Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a travel blog with WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start a travel blog with WordPress, begin by choosing a niche for your blog. Consider the type of travel experiences you want to share. It could be adventure travel, luxury trips, food exploration, or cultural immersion. Next, select a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Once you've decided on a name, register it through a domain registrar. After securing your domain, choose a web hosting provider. Look for a host that offers easy WordPress installation, good customer support, and reliable uptime. Complete the registration process and set up your account with the hosting provider. Next, install WordPress through the hosting dashboard. Most hosts offer a one-click installation option, making the process quick and simple. Once WordPress is installed, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, select a theme that aligns with your travel blog's aesthetic. Consider using a responsive theme that looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. After selecting a theme, customize it to fit your style. Change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your vision. Add essential plugins that enhance functionality, such as SEO tools, social media integration, and security plugins. Next, create essential pages for your blog, like the About, Contact, and Privacy Policy pages. These pages help establish your identity and provide necessary information to your readers. Begin writing your first blog post by choosing a compelling topic. Share your personal travel stories, tips, or destination guides. Aim for high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Include engaging images and ensure your post is easy to read. Use headers, bullet points, and short paragraphs to enhance readability. Optimize your post for SEO by using keywords related to your topic. This helps improve your visibility in search engines. Once your post is ready, publish it and share it across your social media platforms. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. Consider creating a content calendar to plan future posts and maintain consistency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.